Hello, welcome to another lesson in After Effects. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a shape layer. Now as you can see, we have a new project and a new composition titled Snowman, and we're going to draw some stars in the sky. Now After Effects has 5 shape tools that allow you to quickly draw shapes, and after you click on the shape symbol up here, you can scroll through using just the Q key on your keyboard. So I'm going to scroll through from a rectangle to a rounded rectangle, to an ellipse, to a polygon, and to a star. So we're going to draw a star. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're at the beginning in your timeline, and then you want to click an empty area in the timeline to be sure that no layers are selected. So if this was selected, I would want to click down here and make sure that that is not selected, because when you use the shape tool, you can draw either a shape or a mask. And if a layer is selected, when you draw a shape, you're actually drawing a mask. And masks are applied to layers to hide or reveal layers or to input into effects. And we'll explain all about masks at a later time. But for now, you just need to know that if you want to draw an actual shape on your composition, you need to make sure that no layers are selected down here. So let's draw a star. Okay, now you see that the shape is here in the composition, and down here a new layer has been added called Shape Layer 1. Let's click on that, then we'll click Enter or Return, and we'll rename this Star 1 and click Enter or Return again. Now we don't want a red star, so let's change its color. Now we see up here in the Tools panel, we have our fill and our stroke boxes. So let's click on the fill box, which brings up the shape fill color. And if you know the color you want, you can just plug in the letters and numbers down here, or as you know, we could use the red, green, blue, or we can just use the eyedropper tool. Now I'm going to make the star white, so I'm just going to click the eyedropper and then click white up here and click OK. Now let's go to the stroke box. Now for this, I'm just going to select just a slightly darker white, sort of a gray for the stroke color. And we'll leave it at 2 pixels. So basically that's how you draw a shape and change the color. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a self-animating shape. And we'll do a lot more with this composition. So I hope you'll join me. Thank you so much for watching.